Hello, fellow peacemakers. Guess what? We have our very own Make Peace Not Beef tote bags. Look at this beautiful thing. I'm totally going to carry it with me everywhere I go, even if it's empty. Now, I want to give a quick shout out to our sponsor, Noissue, for gifting us these fabulous, eco-friendly tote bags made with 100% organic cotton and water-based ink. Now, the best part is I'll be doing an Instagram giveaway for these beautiful tote bags. So make sure you follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Make Peace Not Beef to get a chance to win one of these beautiful tote bags. Now, if you're looking for sustainable packaging, mailers, cards, stickers, food safe for your brand or business, then you need to give Noissue a try. Noissue will satisfy your brand or personal needs with customized, beautiful, creative, and sustainable packaging solutions while being 100% committed to environmental sustainability. All their products are either compostable, reusable, or recyclable. Plus, they will plant trees every time you purchase their product to support reforestation around the world so we can reduce climate change sooner. Go to noissue.ca to check out their awesome and cool products.
It's a very simple game, and it's all based on this giant thermometer that you can see on the right here. Basically, you are going to move forwards along this time track, and as you move forwards, global temperatures are going to rise. It's a completely collaborative game, and it's your job to play this giant stack of climate solutions in order to bring temperatures back down. The first thing I have people choose is if they want to play medium, hard, or extra hard mode. And hard mode starts in 2020, and in 2020 we were at about 1 degree above pre-industrial levels. So you would start with the temperature marker right here. Medium mode starts in 1990. Now, the reason for that is because that's really when the scientific community was fully convinced around the notion that human-made climate change is real and we need to do something about it. And so it's really a nice what-if scenario. What if we had listened to the scientists right away? What if we had really gotten our act together? And you would start all the way down here. And then extra hard mode basically simulates what if we do nothing until 2030? What if we just continue business as usual? And your goal by the end of the game is to keep temperatures at or below 1.5 degrees. Tremendous discussions in the playtest, especially when people have very different backgrounds, different cultures, living in different places in the world. And once you all come to agreement, you are going to, so let's say you agree that the cards should go this way, you will flip the cards and see if you're right. And so here on the back, you have the giant drawdown ranking, you have the gigatons of reduced CO2e. There's a little graph that gives you a sense of the scale of the solutions. And then there's a short blurb that just helps contextualize why the solution is ranked where it is. And then if you ever want more information, you can scan the QR code and you will go directly to the drawdown website and you can dive into their technical information, et cetera, which obviously most people don't do, but it's there if you are interested. And that's really the core of the game. There's obviously a bunch of other elements that I can all go through. But yeah, that's really the core of it. And the main design intent was, first of all, exposing people to all these unique and surprising climate solutions that they've never heard of, and then getting them to discuss them, brainstorm about them, and really engage with them.
Right. So it's basically like a ranking game where...
Exactly.
Got you. That is super cool. So I think we should probably do a demo for the audience, for those who are curious how to play this game. Like, should we play against each other? Or
yeah, let's do it. Sounds great. I will throw these cards away.
Okay.
All right, so I will kick things off. So just keep this interesting, since I guess we'll only have time for one turn. We're going to play an extra hard mode, and
oh my god. Gonna start off with extra hard. Okay,
start off with extra hard. Don't usually recommend it, but we're only doing one turn, so we're going to start all the way up here, and our goal by the end of this turn, so temperature is going to go up by 4, so 1 2 3 4, and we're going to need to keep temperature at or below 1.5 degrees. So the first thing I'll do before even playing anything is, because we are in this danger zone with the flaming dice, the flaming 6, if I roll a number 6, we're going to get a feedback loop. So let's see. Nope. All right. So we're safe for this turn. All right. So then I'm going to pick an event card, and we'll see what we get. All right. So whoops. So this card says, environmental engineer, start the timer. Everyone has 30 seconds to find an object in the room that could be redesigned to be more sustainable. Once the timer is over, you must be able to explain how the object could be redesigned. So this is a type of card. There's several brainstorm cards in the deck just designed to get you thinking about solutions, break you out of the game, and just think about things in a bit of a real world context. So do you want to try it?
Let's do it.
All right, let's get through 30 seconds. I'm going to set, I have a little timer here, so I will set it right here. All right.
And to find something in this room, right?
Yeah, I did not think about this in advance. All right.
Yeah, now we gotta. We should do this at our welcome party.
Yeah. Yeah, I love it. That sounds
This
great.
is so much fun. Like, can you give me like free copies? I'll just take it to a random pub in Toronto or like a boards games cafe.
I'm actually talking to a few board game cafes already.
In Toronto, or can I help you with this in Toronto, please?
Yeah, absolutely.
I'm going to be your ambassador.
Yes. Love it. Yeah, and maybe I should stop sharing my screen a second. So
no, we're gonna keep playing.
Oh, all right, cool.
Yes, I want to play again.
I will show you this prototype.
This is no longer a podcast. It's just a gaming live stream.
Love it. All right, so should we try one more card?
All right, so the next card, I'm going to read it for the listeners who are actually still listening at this point. I'm very impressed. You're just listening to us playing a board game.
Yeah. So why don't I'm going to propose this one here. I'm going to propose Clean Cook.
Sam, I feel like we should be on twitch.tv right now instead of like a podcasting platform.
Well, let's do it. Love it.
Are you on Twitch? Are you on
No,
Twitch?
I'm not. I know what it is, I think. Yeah.
Sorry. You should be on Twitch. Like, we should be on Twitch.
Yeah.
We're playing this game.
Let's do it next time.
Yeah, usually Twitch is for like video games when someone's like gaming.
Right.
But you know what? We should live stream this stuff and maybe we're gonna blow up.
Yeah, definitely. And I actually I had a live streamer play a very early prototype of the game a few months ago, actually. It went really, really well. She was hilarious. You'd be so great at this yourself.
Yeah, I'd love to. Let's do this on Twitch. We need to take this to Twitch. Forget podcasting.
Love it.
And if for listeners who are still listening, like, wow, I'm really impressed. Like, I don't even know what you find entertaining, but this is no longer a podcast. It's just me and Sam playing against each other. Okay. So Clean Cook Stoves is the next card that Sam's got, right? So where would you place? Do you want to read the card and then?
Sure.
Yeah.
So 3 billion people cook over open fires or simple stoves fueled by wood, dung, and coal. They release CO2, methane, carbon monoxide, and black carbon, causing over 4 million premature deaths a year. Solar-powered and improved fuel-burning cook stoves can cut emissions by 95%. This is tough between this and electric cars. I mean, we know electric cars are going to have a huge impact.
Oh, can't wait. Okay, so when is the launch date and where can people buy it?
Yeah, so there's no specific launch date yet. It's going to be the beginning of June. So I'm not sure when this podcast will be released. But the beginning of June, look out for it. If you go to our website, which is solutionsthegame.com, you can sign up for the mailing list, and then you'll be notified. You'll be the first to know as soon as it's live.